In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Steam disk write error. Now first what you want to do is you want to open up Steam, click on the Steam icon up here and choose settings, and then come into downloads. Now in downloads, you're going to clear cache right here, and after you've done that, you want to go to storage, click on the three dots and choose repair library. Now once you've done this, what you can do is head over to our firewall. So search for Windows Defender Firewall, open this up and choose allow an app. From in here, unlock the settings and allow another app. Now choose browse and you want to find your Steam folder. Now mine is on the D drive, so I can find it in here, Steam, and then choose steam.exe. Now I already have it added, so I'm not going to add it again, but it should be somewhere in here, Steam. Make sure private and public are both enabled. And then what you can do now is we can find our Steam folder once again. So open up File Explorer, look for our Steam folder. Mine is right here, Steam. And instead of opening Steam, what you want to do is you want to right click on it, Properties, and make sure you disable read only. Once you've done that, press apply and OK. Wait for this to load and then choose OK after this. I'm just going to wait for this to disable and then I'll be back. Okay, now that it's done, you want to head over to security. Make sure nothing right here is checked as deny. And after that, you should be good to go. Now, a last step you can do is you can find your Steam. Mine is right here. Right click on it, go to properties. From in here, go to compatibility. Activate disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Press apply and then try and rerun Steam. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.